at the world through my rearview. I said now I know the answers. Do dreams come true? Staring at the world through my rearview. They got me staring at the world through my rearview. Go ahead, baby, scream to God, he can hear you.
You ain't knowing what we mean by staring through the rearview. So since you ain't knowing what we mean, let me bring a better understanding. The world's behind us. We'll be staring at the world through my rearview. Time fly. Staring at the world through my